Hey guys, it's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So yeah guys, today we're going to the river. I'm just gonna be showing you like my daily country girl living in Jamaica, guys. You see that? You see this guy? Beautiful, guys. So it's a beautiful day. That's why I love living in Jamaica. Every day is summer, right? Even when summer done, Jamaica still have summer. Tell me if you like my red hair. Although I know first time company channel with it. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna take a shower, then other stuff. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we are heading to the river now. I'm heading to the river now, guys, to get a nice shower because I'm really hot. Like, as you guys know, Jamaica is hot. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, we're heading into the jungle. This is a pass easy, guys. Smooth. Me just pray say nobody know there this spot where I want to go today, right? Because right now I want a full body swim. Full body swim. I want right about now. And stuff, guys. So yeah. Oh, my face has scratched me. Seriously, my face has scratched. Red really fit me. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna start back the camera after I reach the river for you guys. So stay tuned. Right, how is them make so? Okay, guys, fence with bush. Only in the countryside you would see something like this. I'm sure no good. Yeah, guys, so it's like maybe too near to it or what. Yeah, but that is it, guys. That is it. That is it. Yeah, just listen to that tranquility, that quietness. Like, you can like come here and just relax and your mind free, you know. Good place to meditate, guys. Yes, I'm not into meditation still. I don't really like quiet place, but you know, like but I feel like this would be like a nice place for other people to come, right? So yeah, Charmaine Benny Hawk. Come like somebody do a I water fog yard in the day I saw being. Either that or my boy there. My boy there did there, so. The guys then chop out some of my tree them because I don't know, I guess they said them a make road. Government are gonna make one bypass. So they were cutting down a lot of trees, which is good because around here not so dark again, guys. So it's like a good thing, you know, but me still would have come here, but Mari Dede. So yeah, guys, we reach the river, but somebody's there, so I'm just wait for them to finish. So yeah, guys, this is one next part, one next river they up the saying, but it too low, and then you know that's why we know go other one there. So stay tuned, guys. Woo! Water feels so nice. Oh, guys. So we're in the water. Oh, we are swim. Woo! Woo! Can't swim with one hand. Hey! We are swim with one hand, guys. Oh, so nice. The ear, I'm going to have a face at the ear shot. Girls just wanna have fun. Clean everything, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. The water just make me feel like me have a new life, guys. I'm so happy. Oh, make sure you wash your arm. Yeah, guys. Make sure you rub your arm. So sometimes when I don't be down, I smell myself. I don't know wash your arm. Yeah, I have to wash your back too. Make sure you wash your back. Back is very important, guys. I have to wash your back. So hey guys, we're leaving the river now. It was a beautiful swim, beautiful everything. We just got sorry. Put on my toe, guys. Just I put myself. Guys, remember guys to subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on all socials, right? So follow me on all socials at Fanika TV. Once you type in Fanika TV, you are going to see my profile. But I think on Facebook it's Erica Shackelford. On Facebook I'm yet to change it. So yeah, but on Instagram, on TikTok, it's also Fanika. Same spelling, everything. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. So yeah guys, see you guys tomorrow in another video. Let's go.